Can you solve this nice exponential equation 6 power x plus 36 power x is equal to 216 power x? Find the value of x. So we have 6 power x plus 36 power x is same as 6 power 2 bracket power x is equal to 216 power x is same as 6 power 3 bracket power x. In the next step, we have 6 power x plus 6 power 2 bracket power x is same as 6 power x bracket power 2. According to this formula, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. Then here is equal to also here we apply this exponential rule. So 6 power 3 bracket power x is same as 6 power x bracket power 3. 6 power 3 bracket power x is same as 6 power x bracket power 3. Now we see 6 power x, 6 power x, 6 power x, every term is same. So let 6 power x is substituted by k. So this equation will be k power 3 is equal to k plus k square. In the next step, we have k power 3 here, k power 3 is equal to k plus here k square, because 6 power x, that means k. Now k power 3, then this plus k square take to the left side, so this will be minus k square, and also this plus k take to the left side, so this will be minus k is equal to 0. Now we take common k, so k is out of the bracket, so this divided by this, that means it will be k square, then minus k square divided by k, that means it will be minus k, then minus k divided by k, that means it will be minus 1, bracket close is equal to 0. In the next step, we can write here k is equal to 0 or k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we see k is equal to 0, but remember that let 6 power x is substituted by k. So k, that means 6 power x. K, that means it will be 6 power x is equal to 0. Now here this power x, imagine that any number. So 6 power any number is always positive. 6 power any number is always positive. That means 6 power any number is always greater than 0. 6 power any number is always greater than 0. So this is rejected. Now from here I apply quadratic formula, so you can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to minus 1, then c will be equal to minus 1. So I can write here k is equal to minus b, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket square minus 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. In the next step, k is equal to minus times negative 1, that means positive 1, plus or minus square root of negative 1 bracket square, that means positive 1, minus times minus, that means it will be plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here k is equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or k is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now remember that k, that means 6 power x. So k, that means 6 power x, is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or k, that means 6 power x, is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. This power x, imagine that any number, 6 power any number is always positive, but 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. You can write here log of 6 power x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power move to the base, so this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 6 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log 6 in both sides, so divided by log 6 divided by log 6. So this log 6 will be cancelled. So here x is equal to this divided by log 6, so it will be log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 base of 6. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer. Please do like this video and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.